If your robot vacuum isn't holding a charge the way it used to, this 14.4 volt 2600 mAh replacement battery is designed to help restore that runtime. We were having this problem with our Eufy Robot Vac 11. The red light was on and the battery just wouldn't charge. I really didn't want to purchase a new vacuum, so I was hoping switching out the new battery would do the trick. Just be sure to double check your exact model number before purchasing to make sure you're getting the right one that fits your vacuum. The installation of the battery was easy to put in. You simply remove the screws on the bottom cover, disconnect the old battery, and connect the new one, and secure everything back in place. I didn't need any extra special tools beyond a basic screwdriver. So before you give up on your vacuum, if it's been shutting down mid-clean, not charging, or not just lasting as long and heading back to the dock before the full cycle is done, check to see if you can just replace the battery, because this is a simple way to extend the life of your machine without replacing the entire unit.